Your Honor, point of order. Pwede kumikudali? Un minuto. Okay,
The
un minuto
motion
lang.
relative to what, member Bayot, please?
Okay.
The motion has been approved already. This will be referred to the committee of the whole.
Immediately
I
after.
have permission there.
Ali kita sa mang kwento na committee of the whole. Executive session po.
¿Está entendido el secret, el safety, el security? Sabi niyo que habla, kayang kwento yo, kung el task force ang buhanggal, Colonel, amo yo quiere que habla. Sabi si Vice.
So we already approved that it will be
point of
tackled in
order.
an executive session.
No,
Immediately
like-
after the
Charlie!
session, no? Immediately after the
Yo
session.
también.
Just raise that po on the executive session. We're
Next
very
item, Mr.
careful.
Floor Leader.
Indio se mete.
Right after this session.
Indio se mete. Your Honor, cuando ella habla, ay, quiere que ella bomba.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
We will already rule. Member
Yes,
Bayot,
session.
out of order, please.
Yes.
Please.
Point
We
of
already
order.
agree.
Out of order,
No,
Member
point
Bayot.
of order. Demokrasya
May
kita.
we ask the security, please? Let's have some rules here.
In the meantime, we would like to thank the School of Liberal Arts of the Ateneo de Zamboanga University for coming over to the Sangguniang session. We would like to thank
Hindi na luego, take kita.
the teacher,
Porque
Maria
tiene miedo.
Asuncion Plaza. Ma'am, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
No quiere hablar secreto. Sambuanga
Si Ma'am quiere
kita.
conversar un rato.
¿Hasta cuándo man kita? Coño, buna natin bandera. Coño, buna natin bandera.
Ano yan ang gani mang kwento na
Executive session.
Hindi ako intindi ko sa executive session.
We are here because of this.
Yes, na executive session niya gani sa mang kwento. Hindi aki. Na acepta el desisyon del consejo. Hotel hindi amo por eso kami taabla. Respeta kita. Let's respect the rule of majority here, please.
Yeah, 2-minute recess.
Picture.
Can we invite all the students of ATSU for pictorials?